Hi everyone, I'm Mike Rosagon. Welcome to my channel. This is my first English video, so please forgive my bad English. Today I'm going to show how to make the real KFC original fried chicken. There is several recipes on YouTube declare they figure out the KFC original recipe. But I tried their recipe, like the leaked recipe. It is not as same as the one I ate in China's KFC. I even watched What's for Child's recipe. It is very good, but they are not the one. By the way, the KFC original fried chicken in Paris is different from what I ate in China. So this recipe may be not as same as what you eat in your country. I bought the KFC official seasoning for the original recipe. Well, it took me 15 minutes to figure out what's inside with my tongue. There was no 11 herbs and spices, at least I didn't taste that. It just has black and white peppers, salt, sugar, and MSG. Here is the recipe. Before I continue, I would like to make a point. I, Mike Rosagon, is the first to publish this. There may be a lot of other channels copying my video within a short of times. I welcome people to use my recipe, but those freeloaders out there that will inevitably copy my work, please have the decency to give my channel and website the credit it deserves for finally figuring out the KFC original recipe. Thank you. The fundamental seasoning contains 15 grams white pepper, 5 grams black pepper, 5 grams salt, 5 grams sugar, and 5 grams MSG. If you do not like MSG, you can skip it. The baking soda in the brine is to make the chicken soft and juicy, because the soda can soften the muscle fiber and let more water stay there. Another big secret is the milk powder, which you cannot find in other recipes. The milk fat, after high temperature fried, will have a unique flavor, and that flavor cannot be replaced by something like buttermilk or yogurt. This is my finding. The interesting thing is when I try to figure out the KFC original recipe, I found that if you combine the Western herbs and Chinese spices together, the fried chicken is very good. I call this kind of fried chicken Chinese Western style fried chicken. And my instincts tell me that there is a better fried chicken recipe forward. I will try to find it. Now we separate the chicken. Cut off the feet and the neck. We do not need it. But you can save it for the stock. Do not waste it. Cut the chicken wine. For the thigh, you need to find the bone it connected, and cut that bone off the chicken. Separate the leg and the thigh. Separate the chest and the back. Separate the chest and the belly. Separate the back part into 2 pieces. Now you have 10 chicken pieces. Using 15 grams white and 5 grams black peppers, 5 grams salt, 5 grams sugar, 5 grams MSG for fundamental seasoning. Putting 20 grams fundamental seasoning and 400 grams water together to become brine. Let the chicken rest inside the brine for 8 to 24 hours in the fridge. Put 100 grams all-purpose flour, 14 grams fundamental seasoning, 12 grams milk powder, 8 grams salt, 4 grams sugar, and 4 grams MSG together. That is the coat powder. Now we just need to remove excess water. Put the chicken into the coat powder. Remove excess powder. 150 to 160 centigrade degree, frying for 12 to 13 minutes. Make sure you have enough oil to cover the chicken pieces. The important thing is I use a small chicken, 1 kilogram, and it is less than 3 months old. In general, for the chicken in 1.5 to 2.5 kilograms, you need to fry it 15 to 20 minutes. Okay, that is the KFC original fried chicken. Look at the skin. Although it just has black and white pepper, it is still delicious. I guarantee 80% similarity with the one you buy in China's KFC. And it is a very easy recipe. If this video has a good response, I will make more about KFC fried chicken. Thank you.